the fascia, as I understand, the best way to describe it for those of you who know about what I know is it's like a sausage, right? And so there's the inside of the sausage, and then there's the casing of the sausage. And so the casing of the sausage would be the fascia. And so every organ has a casing, and every muscle has a casing. And just like the sausage, it has a sort of constriction on, I think, on one end, and then it opens up and kind of engulfs the tissue, and then it closes down at the other end. And that, as far as I know, is the fascia is continuous throughout the organism, more or less. Now, the only, like I said, I've never really worked with it, but I remember reading something about a guy who had an interesting theory about muscles. And the important point was the fascia encloses the muscles, and the muscles are what we would call protoplasm, which means living organized water with stuff in it like proteins and nucleic acids and minerals and probably fats and maybe some other things. So the fascia organizes this protoplasm, which was actually the name for like centuries that people called living tissue, which means organized water, essentially. They didn't say the muscle was made of cells or these, sarcomeres or whatever they say now. They say it was basically protoplasm, organized water, and that the role of the fascia, like the role of the sausage, if you took the casing off, it just forms a blob. So the fascia organizes this protoplasm into a particular shape, which therefore has a relationship to its function, because the shape is always related to the function. So you can imagine if you have a crimp in your, pork sausage casing, it's not going to be the same, probably tastes the same, but it's not like the same as it would be. So if you have a crimp in your fascia, the structure of the protoplasm will be crimped, and that's not right.